Hello again, Michael Nicholas here from your Janitorial Services. In today's episode, we are going to cover
ceiling grid covers. What is ceiling's grid covers? US Janitorial Vinyl Ceiling Grid Covers is our solution to renew the look of your entire ceiling grids. Solution that cover up rusted, worn, scratched or discolored grids. These low-cost covers are available in a wide range of colors. Save time and money by snapping the components over the grid for a fresh, new look. 25-year limited liability warranty. Works on 2x2 or 2x4 ceiling grid systems. Doesn't rust or show scratches. Washable, chemical and heat resistant. Our grid covers is an alternative to painting an existing substrate and is cost-effective as a replacement. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or call us now at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.